Hey, what's up, guys? It's Yusuf Omar here, mobile editor at the Hindustan Times. It has been a horrendous year in many respects. Lots and lots of quite drastic news that has taken place across the world. And now, perhaps a good news story. A story of India trying to clean itself up. And it's specifically got to do with pee and poo. The mascot that you see behind me walking around, that's the guy walking around the streets with his companion, telling people to clean India, stop defecating in public, and use toilets. It's a noble cause. I'm joined by Ritam, who's one of our reporters from the Hindustan Times. Ritam, have you ever seen anything like this sort of public engagement?
No, I haven't. And in a city where over 5 lakh people defecate in the open, I think it's a very welcome move by the New Delhi Municipal Council. And it will discourage people in a nice way. As in these guys, there are 28 of them. 14 in the morning, 14 in the evening. They are going out all over the NDMC area and they're interacting with people and telling them not to do it out in the open, not to water the plants. And they are also catching people in the act but not finding them, rather than shaming them and spreading the message.
Is this, Ritam, is it an educational shift? Is it a cultural shift? Is it an infrastructure thing? Where does the problem lie of people defecating in public in India?
See, this is an initiative, as you can see, this guy is called a Swachh Seva. The Swachh Bharat initiative by Narendra Modi. This is part of that. Well, it hasn't been successful in its totality, but these guys, these agencies, they are making their bit of effort. And I think this is a very bold step by the NDMC, which is one of the cleanest civic agencies in the country. But they are trying to achieve total cleanliness. And I think this is a welcome move towards that.
Absolutely. Let's go over and chat to one of the people who have been a part of this. Maybe you can just introduce yourself. We're on in the Hindustan Times Live on Facebook.
I'm Dr. Shakuntala Srivastava, Chief Medical Officer, Headquarter, and looking after Health Education Unit of NDMC. This program, this methodology has been adopted by NDMC to not only create awareness regarding sanitation, but to bring about behavioral change in a more interactive manner, having a very softer approach towards public, so that they get they're physically softer, as well as it's a very soft approach. He's not to criticize anyone, he's just to interact and indicate that please do not throw, do not litter around and do not urinate in open. So that's the message that he's conveying.
It seems like it's going to take a lot more than soft approaches, though. Some statistics we've read say as many as 24,000 more toilets need to be put in place in Delhi to solve this kind of a problem. I think it's going to go hand in hand, education and infrastructure.
Is concerned, we are already having a high density of public utility toilets in NDMC area. As you can see, in Connaught Place area itself, we have 20 public utility toilets. So that is a very good number, and in each toilet is at least having 5 to 10 seats. So that's a good number. But we are, again, in spite of having a high density of public toilets in NDMC area, we're still working on and are going to construct another 100 toilets in NDMC area. We already have 293 public utility toilets in NDMC area and almost 33 community toilets in NDMC area.
Fantastic. I want to speak to the man with the speakerphone. Let me grab on this. Just check that. Hello? Yeah, that works. What are you saying to the people? I hear you shouting out messages of support. What are you saying to them?
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के अंतर्गत स्वच्छ भारत सर्वेक्षण चलता है एनडीएमसी द्वारा। सभी से अनुरोध है कि कृपया वो अपना कूड़ा कूड़ेदान के अंदर डालें, खुले में शौच ना करें, इधर उधर थूके नहीं। सभी दुकानदारों से निवेदन कि कृपया अपना कूड़ा कूड़ेदान के अंदर ही डालें।
Another thing which I want to say is that we want to create awareness that NDMC shall be undergoing Swachh Sarvekshan from 1st January 2017. And NDMC is having a very high floating population to the tune of 16 to 20 lakh people. So we are dependent more on our people who are visiting our area to keep the area clean. We have a static population of only 2.57 lakhs. But we want these people who are visiting our area to be involved in the cleanness and maintenance of the area.
I see a lot of selfies happening here. I see a lot of people coming and meeting and greeting.
The children get attracted, and it's easier for us to convey the message through him to them. Because children if they are conveyed the right message, then we can, change our future, make our future, and shape our future.
So it starts with a young generation, bringing in new habits, new...
That is our target population. That is our target population. We want to, bring about the behavioral change in the children and then through them to adults.
Absolutely. It seems like a good year. It seems Kerala was one of the states that have allegedly completely solved this problem. It seems certain states have managed to do it. Delhi is still working on it.
Yes, at least in NDMC area we have sorted out this problem to quite an extent. I mean, I would be delighted to say that we have almost eliminated this problem to 90% or 92%, and we're still working very hard to, work on those 8% which needs improvement.
Out of curiosity, how do you measure? Is it surveys? How do you work out how many people are pooing on the streets?
Yes, I have done a cross-sectional survey in entire NDMC area that includes the commercial markets, that includes the residential areas, and includes also the JJ clusters, religious places. We have visited all through questionnaire approach, and we asked them to fill it up. Then we did analysis. We collected almost 100 samples each from residential area, from the commercial area, from slum clusters, and then we analyzed it. We found that 90% of the people, they are aware of Swachh Bharat mission, and 95% want to be involved in the Swachh Bharat mission, and almost 50% said that they feel that there has already occurred behavioral change and mindset of people. 50% feel that they are working towards it, and some change has already occurred.
I suppose this is somewhat of a symptom of rural populations moving into urban cities. They would have come with certain behaviors, certain acceptable behaviors for perhaps hundreds and hundreds of years, and are now rapidly being asked to adopt to city life.
See, what I would say is, once you provide facilities to people, no one would want to urinate in open, no one would want to throw, litter around. You have to first provide the facilities, and that's what the NDMC is focused on. And that's why we are able to bring about change to quite a good extent in our area. We have provided facilities, so we expect them to tune to our requirement to a healthy environment for themselves, to create a healthy environment for themselves.
Which parts of the country still have the biggest pee and poo problems? Where in India are we seeing a lot of public defecation that we're not getting right?
See, I would not like to name a city, because it would not be right of me to say anything for another city, because I would rather talk in positive terms than to point towards one city. So everybody, I would say, under Swachh Bharat mission, everybody, all the cities are working with great vigor, and like I'm connected to almost 100 cities on a WhatsApp group, where we see that even small cities with 1 lakh population, they're taking so much of initiative to work around and reach the Swachh Bharat objective goals.
Absolutely. I'm going to put my colleague Ritam on to say a few words.
Yeah, the thing is, NDMC area, it's sort of a clean area. So it's 3-4% of Delhi. But the problem lies in the whole of Delhi. So there are around 259 open defecation spots. Identified, yes, 259.
Predominantly on the outskirts of Delhi.
The Delhi Urban Shelter Board,
Right.
it has identified 259 such spots where open defecation is a huge problem.
Yeah.
And according to a survey, in all the 70 constituencies of Delhi, you need over 24,000 toilet seats.
Yeah.
So the problem is bigger, but this is a start which can take this forward. By the other corporations can take it forward and spread the awareness and get them the toilets.
Yeah.
So that open defecation and open urination is not a reality anymore.
What's this guy's job? I mean, the big mascot, taking photos with people. What's the purpose behind this?
Well, the big mascot, he will be accompanied by a couple of NDMC staff. Now they will go to these spots, especially the railway tracks and the JJ clusters, the Juggi Jhopdis of Delhi.
Yeah.
And when they spot someone open defecating or urinating or littering garbage, they will tell people,
I'm getting some questions saying that drainage systems are quite weak. Is that a big problem?
Yes, drainage systems are very weak, and what happens is the whole problem is Delhi is the multiplicity of agencies.
Yeah.
As in, there are so many agencies involved. So the thing is, agencies are busy in blame games rather than fixing the problems.
When
So-
you don't fix this problem, what happens? I imagine it takes a toll on your health system.
Yes, it does. Every monsoon, you will see, even if it rains for like 5 minutes in Delhi, you have waterlogged streets. And there are spots where water comes till, I don't know, nearly your
We
height.
were just saying, when if you don't fix this problem, what's the outcome?
See, we would reach a stage. Our children's future are in our hands. If we let the things get spoiled, it gets worsened.
Let's
then
catch
we
up with them as we go.
yeah. If we let the things get worse and go out of our hands, then we hand a situation to our children where there is no return. There's environmental decay occurring to a great extent.
This is interesting now because we're approaching somewhat of a religious gathering, and the intersection of now toilet politics largely and religion.
सब लोग जोर से प्रेम से बोले हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा। भैया ना तो जोर से ना तो प्रेम से बोले और एक बार हरे कृष्णा।
All right, we've made our way through CP. I'm going to put you on to Rhythm. Rhythm, just catch our viewers up for people who are tuning in. Where are we? What's happening?
Well, we are at Connaught Place and we are with this Swachh Sevak of NDMC. As you can see, he will go and sensitize people against open defecation, open urination, littering in public. And this is a great initiative by this New Delhi Municipal Council. Hope other civic agencies of the city, which have bigger areas under them, follow this or do something and take care of open defecation and open urination in the city. Yusuf, would you like to add something?
Yeah, I mean, we've got quite a loyal following of people that have now gathered on this walk behind. You've created a little march or a crowd, if you will. Will this extend beyond Delhi? Do you see this going out nationally?
This mascot approach you're talking, no, I think in the New Delhi Municipal Council is the first to adopt this methodology of interactive methodology. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can shoot.
Let's go have a word to them. Hey guys, how are you? We're from the Hindustan Times. Do you guys know what this mascot is for?
Clean India.
But specifically, I mean, there's lots of ways to clean India. This is a very specific one.
Swachh Bharat
Yeah.
and NDMC का
How do you feel about this approach of dealing with people and interacting with the community?
super good. They'll upload you on YouTube. Don't give them any.
Facebook, not YouTube.
Say, how do you like this approach? Do you find this approach good?
Yeah, it's actually good. Yeah.
Like you wanted to
We
get
people
your
do
photo
these type of things.
Yeah, yeah.
We people are enrolled in theater and all. We do this.
So you should, see cleanness and cleanness in the area of cleanness.
These young women say they're also involved in cleaning India, and I think it's going to take as many people as they can get. I can see a lot of you guys are taking selfies with the mascot.
Let's join hands. You just don't want to see
Which part of Delhi are you guys from?
area and make a nation.
Southwest.
Is there issues with cleanliness in South Delhi? Are there people defecating in those areas?
Yeah, Southwest kind of. Not much, but yeah, little.
In Southwest, why is that area a particular problem? Is there toilets in that area? What's the issue?
Just regular cleanliness. They are improving though. they are like doing stuff by their own. Yeah, that's it, kind of.
Seems to be a real community effort here. Rita, maybe you can talk to the guys on that side.
So, do you see any open defecation happening in your areas? Open urination, and which creates a problem?
Actually, not now because all that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and all that going on. So that's not much of an issue. But yeah, people do litter on the footpaths and all. That's an issue. That's a big issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you raise a voice? As a
Yeah, I do. Actually, I'll tell you a moment that when I was sitting in a metro, a lady, she just ate something and threw the litter.
Okay.
So I asked her to pick that up and put it in a bag. So I just told her to put it in a bag and go and put it in the dustbin.
What's your name?
Kamaldeep.
Well, Kanwaldeep, very nice of you to do that. Most of us, we just ignore these things. They happen
Yeah.
all around us. As you can see in this area, you will find out you have pan stains, you have cigarettes, you have paper. This particular area, look at this. So we, people like us, we just sit and we are like, okay, it's not our problem. And ma'am wants to say something.
No, I'm saying you
But that is the problem, and it's good that people like you, people like us, we are raising our voices.
Yeah, you know, if we don't do it, who will do it? That's what the main thing is.
I think that's what this mascot is all about.
Yeah.
It's giving us that sensitization. अच्छा आप ये आपने देखा अब क्या है ये पता है आपको
ये स्वच्छ अभियान चल रहा है।
स्वच्छ अभियान का ये क्या बोल रहा है
ये कह रहा है स्वच्छ रहने के लिए आदमी को स्वच्छ रहना
अच्छा
चाहिए।
खुले में शौच करने के लिए मना कर रहा है आपके अपने एरिया में देखते हैं लोग करते हैं
बहुत सारा
बहुत सारा क्यों करते हैं टॉयलेट्स कम है
टॉयलेट्स कम होगा इसीलिए
टॉयलेट्स कम है इसलिए मतलब अगर टॉयलेट सुधा लोग नहीं करते
नहीं करते।
अच्छा तो ये स्वच्छ भारत का जो लोगो ये लेके ये घूम रहा है तो क्या मैसेज होगा आपका जैसे आपके एरिया में बोल रहे हैं आप प्रॉब्लम अभी भी है
ये इसका अभियान चलना चाहिए। अभियान चलेगा तो इससे सुधार होगा, विकसित होगा, यही सब ना और क्या
अच्छा
होगा।
विकसित होगा बट विकसित क्या कैसे विकसित होगा आपके
हम
एरिया
लोग
में तो
ध्यान
टॉयलेट नहीं है
हम लोग ध्यान देंगे, सरकार को कहेंगे, सरकार अपना अपना जो मतलब कैपेसिटी कराएगा, मतलब
आप
अपना।
कहाँ पे रहते हैं
मैं तो बिहार से हूँ।
हाँ?
बिहार से।
कौन से
बिहार बिहार
यहाँ पे कहाँ रहते हैं
यहाँ आप सीलमपुर में रह रहा हूँ।
सीलमपुर में मतलब वहीं पे आप बोल रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम अच्छा अच्छा गंदगी काफी अच्छा बड़ी you would like to speak about what well as you can see this guide you know what it is all about
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
okay so what do you get out of it as in
We should be Swachh and keep our surroundings Swachh.
we should be swat what about open defecation and urination problem in Delhi
And that thing is not very much, not in Delhi. It's in some areas only. People in Delhi are very educated, they know, and most of the crowd, 85% of the crowd knows how to be Swachh and about Swachhata. They know. That's
where
my
do you see in Delhi
Shahadra, Purani Delhi.
okay
That area should be maintained.
well as you guys can see people from different areas of Delhi they have different views as in some areas you can see open defecation open urination other places things are just fine
Absolutely. You've been joined by Ritam and Yusuf from the Hindustan Times. Sanjay Biswas is filming this. If you've got questions, make sure you comment below. We'll try to answer them as best we can. Ritam will be posting a full article with a lot more information on this story. And if you care about keeping India clean, share this video. Let people know. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.